Sinus lifts. What are sinus lifts? When you plan for implants in the upper jaw, posterior upper jaw or the maxilla, if there is sometimes not enough bone to place our dental implants, we do what is called a sinus lift surgery. So that's what we're going to look in this video. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai Raja Namalipuram, a specialist implant practice with digital dentistry since the year 2001. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel Pearls Dentistry. We've got a whole lot of videos coming out in the next 1 year. So in our upper jaw or the maxilla, there are something called the maxillary sinus, which are the air sacs. So this maxillary sinus is a normal occurrence in all our jaws. The sinus over a period of time enlarges or pneumatizes, as we call it, over a period of time. So as the sinus enlarges over a period of time, sometimes it drapes around the upper tooth and then it keeps enlarging in size. When we remove the upper maxillary teeth or the upper jaw teeth for various reasons, be it because of decay or because they get periodontally compromised, they were mobile and they were taken out. So there is bone loss that happens, that is of the bone that is present below the sinus, as well as sinus also enlarges over a period of time. So combination of these two gives us very little bone for us to place the dental implants. So now if there is less bone to place dental implants, and if we are considering dental implants in those region, we do what is called a sinus lift surgery. Now what is the sinus lift surgery? Yes, we reposition the sinus at a higher level. When I say we reposition it, there is a membrane that is inside the sinus. The membrane is little pushed up, and when the membrane is pushed up, there is space that is below the membrane, which we fill it with a graft material. What's a graft material? How do we do the graft? Types of graft you have seen in our earlier videos. If you have not seen them, please do see those videos. You will understand better what a graft is. So once we have done that, then we can do the implant. Now the sinus lift surgery can either be done as a separate procedure, where we first do the procedure, do the grafting, wait for a sufficient amount of time for the bone to mature, and then we do the implants. Sometimes we do it as a combination approach, where we already have some amount of our own natural bone, but we just want to augment a little bit more. So we do a combination approach where we do the sinus lift surgery as well as placement of the implant at the same time. Hope you have understood what a sinus lift surgery is. It's perfectly safe, routinely done procedure, gives out predictable results if we take up all precautions, take a CT scan, find out what's the quality of bone, whether there is any infection of sinus, rule out any infection, and then we do it. Is a very predictable, successful procedure. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. This is Dr. Arun signing off from Pearls Dentistry. Until next time, bye-bye.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.